Din ang camera nagpapakita natin yan. Open tayo camera guys. We have a lot of special guests. Tatlo yung in-import ko. Tatlong English ang mangyayari ngayong araw. So, ang dami nyo. Isa lang nga, nahirapan na ako. Tatlo pa. Dalawa pa. Ano, nagdagdag pa sila. Nagsama-sama pa sila.
Coach, mag-share ako ng video. Ay, kaya pala
Sure. Sige, thanks, Ellen. Okay, nakita ko na yung slide. Salamat.
mag-video.
Off muna ako ng ano.
There is abundance in a universe, and we all have the ability to tap into our deepest dreams. You can learn and grow at your own speed, and build a business based on your own needs. Well, I bet you didn't know you could make money from your home and take control of your security. Yeah, I bet you didn't know that you could make it on your own and take good care of your family. Why do we wait until tomorrow when we could do it today? Step out of your comfort zone and take a leap of faith. You can learn and grow at your own speed and build a business based on your own needs. Well, I bet you didn't know you could make money from your home and take control of your security. Yeah, I bet you didn't know that you could make it on your own and take good care of your family. Bedrock bookkeepers rock it from their home. Bedrock bookkeepers make it on their own. Bedrock bookkeepers live it in the zone. Well, I bet you didn't know you could make money from your home and take control of your security. Yeah, I bet you didn't know that you could make it on your own and take good care of your family. Well, I bet you didn't know you could make money from your home and take control of your security. Yeah, I bet you didn't know that you could make it on your own and take good care of your family. Well, I bet you didn't know you could make money from your home and take control of your security. Yeah, I bet you didn't know that you could make it on your own and take good care of your family.
Thank you to Bedra. Challenges. I think mas mahirap yung tax against payroll. Payroll is easier to do than the tax. Mahirap siya, pero masaya kapag nakuha mo. Thank you, Bedrock. Thank you, Joe. And thank you to the Bedrock team.
Thank you so much, Joe and the Bedrock team. This is very challenging on my part, but it's part of growth and to learn more, including the bookkeeping job. Thank you so much for the challenges that you gave us. I know that we still have more time to familiarize everything before we get into the real payroll job. Thank you so much.
Congrats sa us, batch 3 of the Payroll Master Class. Big thank you to Miss Aileen for always available to answer all our questions, and to my fellow batchmates for their constant support and motivations. And to Joe, thank you for all the challenges. Your project may have caused us some headache. Yeah, headache as always. But you told us it's good to have a headache because we learned from that. But it pushed us to dig deeper, learn more, and to realize our potential. Now I see that your teaching style was all about pushing us to be a resourceful and self-reliant, and appreciate it. Thank you, Bedrock.
So thank you so much. This Bedrock experience really taught me a lot that it's not too late to start all over. It's not too late to change career if necessary. As what Joe have told me during our one-on-one conversation, you just have to know the why, and then it will motivate you. This is a new milestone for me. If you have that dream inside of you, no one can stop you. And as they say, the only way to success is to focus and believe in yourself. For believing in yourself, you are halfway there. Thank you so much, everyone, and congratulations.
One of the things I've learned is to be resourceful and be confident, even if you don't know, research and ask questions. Thank you for Joe and the Bedrock team for really opening this course to us. It's a great opportunity for us to learn and get like a hands-on experience to do payroll tasks in a US setting.
Sobrang accommodating ng team kasi kapag meron akong questions, very accommodating. So, sobrang na-appreciate ko kasi I've been in some courses na din. Pero kapag may mga questions, parang nagiging active lang sila kapag sa group. Siguro dahil andun yung mga boss, superior. But kapag may mga direct messages ako sa admin, nakakakuha pa rin ako ng prompt response. So, kung gano'n sila ka-prompt mag-response dun sa group, ganun din kapag direct messages. And kay Joe, I've learned so much na lahat, hindi lang about dun sa technical course, but as a person, sobrang napaka-motivating young person. What I appreciated about Joe made me realize na pag naging intern ka sa Bedrock or kahit siguro sa ang company, if you will work for an experience, yung experience kasi na ibibigay sa'yo is more than just a money. Grabe yung encouragement sa akin ni Joe. So, more than the technical skills na nakuha ko sa course na to, mas na-appreciate ko yung hindi lang si Joe but even Miss Luz and Miss Catherine, Miss Eileen nung nag-share sila about experience nila.
For me, I'm specializing so in the consultation kasi I see to it that service offer ko to cater crypto accounting is addressed especially during the course and in terms of preparation with ITR and all that. I asked Joe specific questions about it and it was addressed, and I appreciate his knowledge in terms of updates and all that. So I really appreciate the course and Joe and of course the team. So me and my wife are always asking in terms of how we do this, and the specifics about the team are really helpful and giving us guidance on how to do it. So many thanks, guys.
Masasabi ko sa course is napaka-helpful niya, especially yung practice sets. Yan, tapos na-familiarize din ako sa paggawa ng trick sa tax preparer. Yan, so congratulations sa atin, and looking forward ako sa Jumpstart community natin. Yan, namimiss ko tong class na to, mga classmates natin. Thank you po sa Bedrock, kay Joe, sa Bedrock team, especially din po kay Ma'am Eileen, kay Luz. Sa lahat po, maraming salamat.
Thank you so much for the teachings. Actually, I enrolled in this course because I plan to target also US market clients. I don't really have clients in the US because I'm not that confident that I know their tax rules. I think this course will help me be confident in handling US clients. I actually enjoyed working on the Drake because it's my first time to experience that one, and also the forms. It's my first time to see all the forms. I like about this course is it helped me to stay committed and what I promised to do for myself.
With this course, it was the push that I need to be serious and study the whole process of tax preparation. So before, I don't know where to put the wages, the pensions, the retirement distributions. I would like to thank Joe and the team.
Doing this 5-week course is not that easy. So you have that you need to have that accounting background already, because if not, it's like you will be misled. Where are you going? What are these numbers are for? So you really have to have that background already. So if you haven't have that background yet, maybe it's preferable to enroll in the 13-week course. With this, I've learned a lot, and I have a lot of questions with Joe. He remembers me, I know, because of my questions. So one of my takeaways of this, I love this part. It is in the chapter 4. It says, in the end, no amount of tax planning or problem-solving strategies is going to be of use to any entrepreneur if they don't have a solid financial foundation based on good bookkeeping and sound record keeping. So that phrase to me is, it's more of a bookkeeper friendly phrase, because you will not have that good tax planning if your book is total mess. So it really starts with good bookkeeping, and then a strategic tax planning. So thank you for this course. For now, I'm still enjoying my bookkeeping work, but who knows, in the future I will have that gut and courage to be a tax preparer.
Running a business is hard enough. Keeping your books in order shouldn't be. Hi, I'm Joe DiChiara, CPA with over 40 years of accounting experience. I created this 7-course Wave Apps Essentials series to help business owners like you take control of your finances without feeling overwhelmed. From setup to sales tracking, reconciliation to reporting, we cover everything you need to confidently manage your books. Earn your Wave Apps Essentials certificate and build a system that works all year round, especially at tax time. Join thousands of business owners who've transformed their finances with Wave Apps.
Discover how AI transforms your solopreneur journey into a thriving business. Master AI tools like ChatGPT to boost productivity and marketing. Learn the Act As If method for perfect prompts. Build a powerful personal brand with AI. Craft profiles that reflect your values and connect with your audience. Create products customers love and define ideal avatars using AI to solve their deepest needs. Develop AI-powered sales funnels and automated content to attract and convert customers effortlessly. Choose the right business structure with AI tools to optimize taxes and minimize risks. Turn expertise into scalable courses and coaching offers with AI, creating new revenue streams. Embrace lifelong learning and build AI workflows to scale your business with custom agents. Start scaling your dream business today.
So you decided to learn U.S. taxes, but did you know that you can actually qualify to become a U.S. CPA? That's right, folks. There is an unprecedented opportunity to work in the U.S. as a CPA from the comfort of your own home, working remotely, earning over $60,000 US per year. That's right. There is an unprecedented shortage of U.S. accountants, and accounting firms all over the world are looking for U.S. CPAs to work with them. All you have to do is start training to be a CPA, and once you post it on your resume, your LinkedIn profile, your earnings potential, your chances at getting a job increase tenfold. The good news is we have a course to show you exactly how to become a U.S. CPA. If you click the link, you can get this one-time only offer to become a U.S. CPA. Act now before the time passes you by.
Two accounting careers, two very different incomes. What's the difference? It's specialized knowledge that's in massive demand right now. Joe DiChiara, CPA. After 40 years solving complex tax problems and running successful accounting firms, discovered something remarkable. There's an unprecedented shortage of qualified U.S. tax professionals, creating a perfect opportunity for accountants worldwide. That's why he created a comprehensive training system that works for anyone, even if you have zero U.S. tax experience. Practical hands-on training includes real-world tax return preparation, mastery of professional Drake tax software, business structures and entity formation, advanced tax planning strategies, building your own client base. The best part? You can serve U.S. clients from anywhere in the world. Our graduates are successfully doing this from the Philippines, India, Canada, and beyond. And with tax preparation fees rising every year, even a small book of clients can generate a six-figure income. Don't settle for being underpaid and undervalued. Join thousands of successful graduates who've transformed their careers with U.S. tax expertise. Enroll today. Your high-income tax preparation career is waiting.
Are you ready to turn one of the most in-demand skills in America into a profitable career? With over 33 million small businesses in the U.S., the demand for qualified bookkeepers and tax professionals has never been higher. In the secret sauce to accounting and U.S. taxes, you'll learn the exact systems used by CPA Joe DiChiara to help thousands of small businesses thrive. Students call it practical, easy to follow, and life-changing. With over 40 years of experience, Joe has built multiple businesses and helped countless students launch bookkeeping and tax careers worldwide. Don't just learn accounting, master it, apply it, and build your future. Enroll today and claim your independence with the secret sauce to accounting and U.S. taxes.
Taxes. We all have to file them, but most people don't know how to do it right. That's where this course comes in. With over 40 years of experience, I've helped thousands of individuals and business owners master tax preparation. Now, I'm here to guide you step by step. This course blends real-world case studies, practical exercises, and IRS-compliant methods to prepare you for success, whether you want to save money on your own taxes or start a profitable tax business. This course is for aspiring tax professionals, small business owners, and anyone who wants to be truly tax confident. Over 150 million tax returns are filed every year, and demand for skilled preparers is higher than ever. Ready to take control of your taxes and unlock new opportunities? Enroll today, and let's get started.
Struggling to get your business finances organized? Setting up your accounting software the wrong way can cost you time, money, and peace of mind. Joe DiChiara, a CPA with over 40 years of experience helping small business owners just like you. In this Udemy course, Zero Accounting, Essential Setup, will walk you through everything step by step. You'll learn how to set up your company in Xero, customize your chart of accounts, manage user permissions, and avoid the costly mistakes most beginners make. By the end of this course, you'll have a fully configured accounting system tailored to your business, and the confidence to manage it with ease. Enroll today and start building a solid financial foundation for your business success with Xero.
Do you dream of being your own boss, working from anywhere, and building a profitable freelance accounting career? In this course, Jumpstart Your Freelance Accounting Career, you'll learn how to launch, grow, and scale your own accounting practice with confidence. Your instructor, Joe DiChiara, CPA, brings over 4 decades of hands-on experience helping thousands of entrepreneurs succeed in business and accounting. Whether you're just starting out or ready to grow, this course gives you the step-by-step roadmap to become a thriving freelance accountant. Take control of your future. Enroll today and jumpstart your freelance accounting career.
Dear Heavenly Father, we thank you for gathering us all today in this important endeavor. We ask that you bestow your guidance and blessing upon each attendee. May we honor one another by keeping an open mind. May we voice our truth and listen with an open heart. Bless everyone present today, that each may be able to share his or her contributions and gifts. Grant good health and safety to loved ones left outside this room, and bestow peace and goodwill to all of us. We ask for your wisdom and grace to use our talents for the betterment of others. May the various activities related to this day be a success through your intervention. With gratitude, we offer this prayer in your name. Amen.
All right. Good evening,
Okay.
everyone.
Yeah,
Hi,
Marianne,
Joe.
it's my turn to introduce you tonight.
Okay.
Yeah, so good evening, everyone. Thank you for attending the second part of this unbelievable program, How to Crack the U.S. Accounting Market. Tonight, I am one of your co-hosts, along with my beautiful partner in crime here, Marianne Labanete. If you don't know me, I'm not going to go into a whole story again because most of you should have been here first session. If you weren't, you'll get the recording. Briefly, I'm the founder of Bedrock 360, which is a whole slate of different businesses, all focused on working with the self-employed professionals. As an offshoot of that, we have Bedrock 360 business training, and that's what we're here for tonight. My passion is really to train you to empower you to be able to work from home. I did it for my mom when she was 65, if you know my story. That's where it all really started. About 20 years ago, she had no practical accounting experience, and I taught her from scratch, and she actually helped me run my business for 15 years. So if you think it's too late to you're wrong. Okay. Based on my experience. I don't want to take up a lot of your time. We ended Tuesday's event with an offer, and I'm going to show that to you again. A lot of people took the offer at the discount price. What it is, we call it the Pinoy Accounting Power Pathway. And it's a bundle of 4 different courses that's going to definitely give you the foundation to enter the American accounting market confidently. One thing, I've taught close to 1,000 Philippine accountants how to get into the U.S. accounting market with a whole slate of different courses, starting with that secret sauce course. and that's one of them. All of them were created based on student request. So it went from the basic accounting and US taxes to the Drake accounting software course. Then people wanted to learn payroll, which is really powerful to know. And then the next course was sales tax, and we have a ton of other courses. The AI powered accountant was designed basically to leverage AI to help, and it was designed for accountants, but it can really apply to just about any industry. So that's a really good course. How to become a US CPA. And that's, if you have an accounting degree, you need to look at how to become a US CPA because it's going to increase your earnings capacity tenfold. Uh, and of course, the Jumpstart was created for anyone that really wants to uh, be a freelancer. And the difference between being a freelancer and a remote worker is a freelancer has clients, as many clients as you want. So it's the stepping stone to building an agency. And this was the original 13-week course, which I launched because Coach Yan Yan over here had a small group called Accounting Peoples. And they were, 1,500 Philippine accountants that wanted to get into the freelance industry. Now, we put all of these courses together. The regular price is, I think, close to 17,000 pesos. Tuesday, we were offering it for 14.99 for a limited time. It's still a great deal. It's only 1,999 pesos. I'm going to put the link in the chat. So if anybody wants to avail this, again, this is a limited time offer. It's only going to be, oh, sorry. That's not what I want to put in there. Okay. Bear with me one second. This offer is only going to be available until Friday evening. So after that, it's going to go up. We're still going to discount the bundle, but it's going to be more like 10,000 pesos instead of 2,000. So let me put this link in here for you. I'm sorry, Maria, do you have the link? I lost it.
Yes,
Maria will
I'll
put the link in there for you. So without further ado, what I'd like to do, we're gonna have a little bit different format tonight. I'm not going to be doing any of the modules because they're really, when I looked at them, they're all really Marianne's forte. Uh, if you don't know Marianne, you need to know her because she's one of the people that's going to help bridge you from the Philippines all the way over to the United States or anywhere else that you choose to be an accountant. She's been the last 2 years one of the top Philippine on influencers on LinkedIn, which is not an easy achievement. What that means for all of you is she has a serious amount of connections. LinkedIn is the biggest job board. Most jobs, if you don't know this, most job opportunities aren't even posted. So if you're spending your time trying to get jobs through uh, Upworks or onlinejobs.ph, I mean that's fine. That's one way to do it, but you're in competition with a lot of other people. The truth is, most jobs are gotten through networking by knowing people just like Marianne. So, there's something called the 6 degrees of separation. We basically have a connection to everybody on the planet if you depending on who you know. Marianne knows a slew of people. Not only does she know them, she's actively engaged with them. And I know she is because I talk to her all the time. And in fact, right now, she's in a coffee shop at the airport in Cebu, doing what she does best, getting people jobs. So without further ado, I'm going to hand this over to Coach Yan Yan, my friend and partner. Take it away, Marianne.
All right. Thank you so much, Joe. Again, good evening, accounting peoples. And for those people na nasa Cebu ngayon, before we start, I would like to ask first kung taga saan kayo, nasan kayo ngayon? Meron ba taga Cebu dito? Maayong gabi? Maayong buntan? Ano matawag? Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan? Tama ba? Ayan. So for tonight's is another session, but I'll make sure lahat magiging mas valuable siya. Nahihirapan ako ngayon kasi meron tayong import. Later on, I'll tell you who's our guest speaker. Actually, the reason why I'm here in Cebu, one of my client that I met on LinkedIn last May, nandito siya sa Cebu. So, mabilis na meet up lang. I'll be in Cebu today hanggang Saturday. So, one of the things that I will teach you in how to get clients on LinkedIn. And later on, meron pa tayong isang import. So, kala ko si Joe lang ang kalaban ko sa Englishan ngayon. But meron pa tayong isang one import. His name is Nick. Later on, he will hear more about him at kakakilala ko lang din sa kanya sa LinkedIn. So, pa-type naman ng one kung ready na kayo to know more about our session for today. Sino taga Cebu? O pa-type 1. So, last time we're 138. So, sana mas madagdagan pa tayo tonight. Okay, minabasa ba? Mamaya. Mamaya ko nabasahin yung mga nasa comment section. Dinig na rinig ba ako? Malayo ba yung boses ko? Clear ba? Clear naman. Okay. Okay, ready na ba kayo? So before again we start, let's gauge muna yung audience. Sino dito yung number 1? Accountant. Number 2, CPA. Number 3, non-accountant. Because tonight, I will teach you or guide you on how to land a clients using the roadmap or the structure that works for me since 2021. And again, we're doing this because now it's a tax season. It's the best time to apply. Hindi lang makaka-join si Carol ngayon yung client ko kasi medyo tight yung last minute ko rin siya na-invite kasi nga sobrang bilis lang. So bukas pa kami nakikita but she will join us next time if you want to hear from her. Nangangailangan siya ng mga tax preparer. So sabi ko kay Joe kanina, it's the best timing to really give you an overview or a real problem sa US ngayon. So tax preparer talaga ang kailangan nila. Okay? So again, ready na ba? Pa-type naman ng ready if you want to start. Okay. Sige. Isa pang question before we start. Nandito rin yung si Jem. Shout out ko lang. Of course, Bedrock team nandito lahat. Nakikita ko din sila. And then of course, Joe, thank you so much for the intro. Anong pinaka gusto nyong malaman ngayong gabi? Because the roadmap from here is from freelancer to penetrate the US market. And eventually, you become your agency owner then someday. Agency owner or accounting firm someday. Hindi ko nababasa yung comment section. Pa-type na lang para makita ko kung matatamaan natin yan mamaya. Kung lahat ng mga questions yung madadaanan natin. Okay, pa-type naman kung anong gusto nyo matutunan for tonight. Direct clients. Sige, transition to virtual work to have clients. Okay, who else? Sige po. Just type in your client acquisition. Okay. So, lahat ng yan madadaanan natin. And again, I'll give you the proof, living proof that LinkedIn and online jams is so powerful. Kasi tonight, we have a guest speaker from Boston. Again, his name is Nick. Later on, you will hear about him. Okay, so I'll share my slide. Ang ganda ng lighting sa Cebu, no? Ang ganda ko dito. Pansin niyo ba? Charot. Ganda ko ngayon. Lahat ng araw. Gabi-gabi na lang maganda tayo, no? Ganda ba lightning ko? Yan. Okay. Sabi dito,
Wait,
the opportunity...
Marianne, can I interrupt you for a second because I completely forgot. We have a special a Christmas gift for everyone at the end, but you got to stay till the end and you'll
Yeah.
get a special Christmas gift, all right? Merry Christmas.
Ayan, baka may pa-GCash. So stay tuned. O kaya Noche Buenang worth 500. Tama ba? Okay, so our topic for tonight is the opportunity for Filipino accountants in the U.S. market. Comprehensive course designed to help Filipino accounting professionals tap the massive U.S. market opportunity and building thrive offshore careers. So if you're reading this and itingin mo para sa to, pa-type ulit ng 1 kung para sa to. Ko ba to? Ayan. Okay. Ayan yung gumalaw. Yan. So, again, siguro before I start, tatawagin ko na siguro yung aking guest speaker. But the thing is, I've been in LinkedIn since, I think, 2018. One of my teachers in MBA told me, huwag kayong magbabad sa FB, magbabad kayo sa LinkedIn. Nandun ang mga tamang kliyente at mga professional na katulad nyo. Just like you before, hindi ko pinapansin si LinkedIn. Hindi ko rin siya alam paano i-maximize. But through the years, since 2022, I think 2022 to 2023, dun ko nakita how powerful is LinkedIn. And again, LinkedIn is the best method for getting client. One of my client nga sabi ko, doon ko lang namit sa LinkedIn through cold message and also some collaboration. Again, top 100 Filipinos on LinkedIn. Nandun lahat ng mga professional na naghahanap ng tao at naghahanap ng collaboration and affiliate. So before I start na lang muna, sige, Nick or Jem, can you come on down? So just to give you, because saktong-sakto, na-meet ko lang siya sa LinkedIn. Are you there, Nick? Good evening.
Yeah. Can you
All
hear
the
me?
way from Boston, come on down.
Hey,
Yeah, Nick, how are you?
I'm good. Thanks so
Papalaban
much
tayo
for
English,
having me
dalawa
here.
sila. Okay,
Forgive the
dalawang
morning
English na
here.
natin.
It's early here in Boston.
Yeah, I love your hair. You should take out your cap.
I look far
Anyway,
more intelligent when my hair's out. That's how it goes.
yeah. I just meet Nick, I think it's yesterday or 2 days ago, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so what do you think decided to connect with me and what is LinkedIn is all about, how we can help them to really look for a client or collaborations on LinkedIn?
Yeah. So I think now's a really interesting time. I think there's more demand than there's ever been at any point in human history for remote work help and remote expertise. But the challenge is it's hard to find. There's a lot of noise out there. And I think that's part of the value that you guys will get from this course, from meeting with Marian, is how to cut through the noise and how to make that sticky. But my personal mission has been to balance both sides of it because I think the demand is super high from companies, but they don't understand exactly what to ask for. So sometimes like the jobs they put together or the gigs they list or the way they request for help prevents them from getting the value that they really want from you guys. So what we're doing to help make this all sticky and to help kind of underwrite the stuff that you guys are learning here is building localized communities all over the world. So you don't have to do this on your own. So you could come to a webinar like this, you could participate in the Bedrock courses, and have a place to go with hundreds of other people in your city that are going through the same thing with you. Because I think that was the hardest part for me when I started this 7 years ago. I had to figure everything out by myself. And I think today most people are still in that situation. You'll see that on LinkedIn. If you just reach out to other people that are building their accounting practices, you'll get super high response rates from folks that are struggling to find clients, for example. You could build a massive network really quickly just by connecting with people and trying to figure out what they're learning. So what we're trying to do, I saw your comment, that's why having a coach is powerful. We're trying to bring together a group of people because when you can learn from 30 or 40 people at the same time, you don't have to make the mistakes they made. The things that are working can work for all of you. And that's what we're trying to do with Rocket. So we have, you can port into any city. So you could be in Cebu one week and then you could be in New York the next or Boston with me. It helps make this sticky, but also helps you realize that there's millions of other people all over the world that are going through this right now. I think, unfortunately, they're stuck doing it by themselves. So if we can give them a place to do that together, we can make it far more impactful because they're out there and there's so much work to be done. There's lots of opportunity for you guys. certainly on LinkedIn, and we're just trying to build a place to make the stuff you learn here sticky.
All right. Thanks so much, Nick. It's so short but sweet and simple. Agree
Yeah.
ba kayo doon? So, parang ang gaganda ng mga guest speaker natin. Yung English ko kasi pang isang tao lang, kay Joe lang eh. Pero nandito si Nick ngayon. Buti na lang wala yung isa si Carol, kundi yari na ako. Again, Nick, you can stay until the end of the webinar so you can participate and make it more engaging. Again, that's the power of a community, right? So you as Nick mentions, magkakaroon kayo ng shortcuts for your success, and eventually someone will guide you on how to land clients, collaboration especially, and you will attract those people who is very aligned with your core values. Agree ba kayo doon? Yeah, so stick around, Nick, just stay there because I'll call you later to validate some of the things that I will share. Sana tama English ko ng mamaya, nakakahiya. Okay, LinkedIn strategy, 4 pillars. So first and foremost, of course, this is something I'm really love to teach because again, it's very powerful. So sino ba dito ang may LinkedIn account? O inanay na yung LinkedIn account. So una-una, if you're in a LinkedIn, you should know the 4 pillar, which is the profile optimization, sales content template, DM script, inbound lead generation. Actually, Carol, I get it from cold message lang. Mali pa yung nasend kong email sa kanya, message ko sa kanya kasi pinagawa ko lang sa ate ko. Ang nakakatawa yung message ko sa kanya kasi naghahanap ako ng mga CPA, napunta kay Carol, mag-apply siya sa local hiring namin sa Cebu. So, dinedma ako ni Carol. But eventually, the second script that I sent is really maybe in a way, sakto kailangan niya. She needs someone who will help her to recruit people from the Philippines. And it happens. So I have those kind of templates, although there's an AI, ChatGPT, di ba? May Gemini AI na din to give you some script, but I have this kind of templates. So, okay? So, sa 4 na 4 pillars na to, ano ba dito yung meron na kayo? 1, profile. 2, sales. 3, DM. And then 4 is inbound. Sige, papasok ako sa isang account ko para nakikita ko yung chat, ha? Para hindi ako malos sa participation. Okay. Okay, aside from LinkedIn, eto before, when I started 2021, gumamit din ako ng Upwork. Aside from online jobs, which doon ko na-met si Bedrock at si Joe, dumaan din ako sa hiring process. Grabe yung hiring process ng Bedrock. 3 matitindi yung pagdadaanan mo. First is HR, then si Elizabeth, then last is si Joe. And then before that, meron pa kaming pinagdaan ng mga tests. Marami ka pang gagawing videos or simulation before ka makapasok sa Bedrock. So talagang dadaan ka sa literal na butas ng karayom. Okay? So dun sa Upwork, although Nick knows about this also, Upwork is also a on-site platform, but we're trying to cut also this kind of, hindi naman natin sinisiraan si Upwork, pero kung nasa Upwork kayo right now, for sure you can relate that napakamahal ng charge. Tama ba? Magkano na ba charge ngayon sa Upwork? Hindi ako makarelate kasi wala na rin akong Upwork, tsaka hindi ko na rin alam yung rate. Sino makakapag-provide ng rating sa Upwork? Sinong nasa Upwork? Wala. Nasahin ko yung sa chat sa kabila. Dito ako. Wala ba? Medyo mahal na yata, di ba? May 20% kang pang-cut. Yan, 20% cut, tapos bibili ka pa ng Connects around, if I'm not mistaken, $55. Nakalimutan ko na. Pero may 150 Connects for $22 something plus 20% pa kapag nagbayad si client, plus the VAT, I think. Tama? So, yun. Pero, anyway, winning on Upwork, online job, let's say it's online jobs na lang. You should create also a magnetic profile or optimize. So, optimizing your profiles, ngayon may ATS na o may mga AI na nagde-detect ng inyong mga skills. So, in your profile, you don't have to be super detailed. There's some rules now sa ATS or sa LinkedIn or sa Upwork, sa online jobs, some keywords, especially your skills. Just last night, one of our clients asked me to create a summary of profile of those candidates. What I did is I used Gemini. I just copy-paste the work experience, and Gemini AI give me the summary of the skills of that candidate. Imagine. So it saves me a lot of time who will be the right fit for the hiring process because naka-indicate agad doon yung core values, yung core skills niya at kung saan siya magaling. So the client now will just review and will give us an update sino yung gusto nilang ma-interview based sa nakita nilang summary ng profile. Okay, ganun naka-powerful ngayon. So if I were you, pwede kayong try nyo yun mamaya later after this webinar. I-try nyo i-copy paste yung resume nyo tapos tanungin nyo sa Gemini AI. Create me a summary of profile of this candidate. Copy paste nyo yung experience nyo from start, from recent to down. You will see your core skills. So from there, doon nyo siya ikakrap yung resume nyo para lahat ng mga recruiter, madali din kayong ma-identify. Ito to sa isang tips na masasabi ko ngayon na useful sa inyo as your applications. Okay? Of course, pag meron ka sa Upwork at online jobs, meron din tong winning proposal. So sometimes, proposal, pwede nyo rin yung sabi ko nga gamitin nyo si Gemini AI, ChatGPT, can you create me a profile? Isang tips ko naman, paki-note po tong tips ko na to. Ginawa ko rin to ngayon. Sabi ko doon, can you give me a cover letter based on this job description? Plus, make it more aligned on my working experience. So, gusto nyo pang ipauntiin ng konti, sabihin nyo doon, make it 200 words only. Okay? And of course, kahit nasa Upwork tayo sa online jobs, hindi ibig sabihin maglo-lowball kayo. Again, if natatandaan yung sino ni Joe last time, the minimum rate that you can charge is how much? Sino yung nandito last time? 66,000. Sige nga, sino yung nakikinig? Class. How much? $7 yon. O yan, nakikinig, hindi natutulog sa pansitan. Si Annie, bigyan ng ano yan? Bigyan ng jacket yon. Okay. Ayan. So, meron din namang direct outreach. Ito yung most scalable method. I think andito si Jem, one of operations manager ni Nick, nag-reach out sa akin sa LinkedIn. Normally, kapag nag-reach out sila sa akin, I make sure, kayo din, you can try this approach or, ang tawag dito, yung nakagawian ba? Kapag may nag-message sa inyo sa LinkedIn, syempre sagutin nyo, whatever is the purpose, you should answer and check the profile kung sino yung kausap mo. Most likely, gusto ko kapag in-approach mo ako sa LinkedIn, hop a call agad tayo. Bakit? Kasi we are all busy. Just very straightforward. What is your agenda or what is your motive? What is the thing that you want to collaborate? I'm happy to collaborate as long as we are aligned on the values that we're doing. That's my number one mantra. So kapag may nagpapahanap ng work, sabi ko mag-apply dito. And even kayo, kung mayroon kayo i-reach out sa LinkedIn, make it sure, ni-review nyo yung profile ng client and i-research nyo. Again, you can use AI but make it more personalized. You have to check also ang gawin nyo, observe nyo yung post ng client. Tapos sabihin nyo doon, meron kayong maglagay kayo na I love your post, I love your dog, I love your cat, like that. So medyo personal, hindi lang siya basta work. So mas makaka-relate sila o mas matatouch sila if you do something personal. Okay? Tapos kung di man, at least build rapport lang ang relationship pag nasa LinkedIn kayo. Okay? Ayan. So meron nga, sabi ko nga dito, meron din mga email script. Again, AI napaka-useful, pero sometimes, I'm doing AI kapag mag-grammar check ako, I'm guilty about that. Every time mag-message ako kay Joe, kahit kasi kaninong foreigner, tatype ko muna yung thoughts ko, yung tanong niya, I'll make, draft muna sa utak ko kung ano yung sasagot ko by English, and kino-correct yan sa grammar, sa ChatGPT, para mas maintindihan at mas makang formal. Although it's obvious that ChatGPT, it doesn't matter, but at least you can rely your message. Okay? Nung nagsisimula din naman ako, mahilig din ako sa Facebook group. Doon kaya nga nagkaroon ng mga accounting people's community at iba pang community kasi sa FB group, most of the people in the Philippines nasa FB rather than LinkedIn. Tama ba? So, meron din sa mga FB group, may mga group ng mga accounting o naghahanap ng mga bookkeeper doon. Pwede kayong tumambay at magko-comment kayo. Kaso recently, sorry, may mga nakikita rin naman ako dong mga nag-spam na message. If you notice, mga foreigner sila. Tapos, bago lang yung profile and they will post something that, I'm looking for a bookkeeper. Pero pag minessage mo na, nire-redirect kami sa Telegram. So kapag ganon, skip nyo na lang yung ganong part. Pero most of the Facebook group na matatagal na, they are, active and reliable. Okay? And then of course dito, last time nabanggit namin to, pinag-usapan ni Joe kanina before kami mag-hop in a call. Siguro yung 4 to 5 industries na kilala ngayon sa US is number 1, e-commerce, construction, real estate, property management, siguro accounting firm. So if meron pa kayong ibang alam na industry na in demand ngayon sa US or other client, EU kung meron man, pero mostly sa US, e-commerce, real estate. Yan talaga yung pinaka-in-demand. So kapag nag-reach out kayo sa mga client, again sa LinkedIn, make sure alam niyo yung industry nila. And then pwede kayong mag-build muna ng rapport doon, nag-hi, hello, or I love your post. Basta mag-comment kayo sa mga post nila. Tapos kung yun yung target market niyo, for example, e-commerce, is nakakonect kayo sa kanya, magbigay kayo ng valued post sa LinkedIn related sa e-commerce. Naturo ko to last time sa isa kong session sa e-com. Sabi ko doon, highlight the pain points of those e-commerce business. I think I give 5 pain points. Okay? Sabi daw dito, landing US clients isn't about luck. It's about using simple, repeatable system. So again, paulit-ulit lang naman yung formula. And then, I think na-mention ko to sa mga coaching session ko. I've realized getting client takes time. You have to plant seeds, relationship. Sometimes it took years before siya mag-matter. I have also this experience just recently, how powerful is LinkedIn. I have this agency owner from Australia that I applied May 2021 when I'm starting as a freelancer. And then, she sent me a message. Kagaya na napaka-courteous na mag-reply. Sabi niya, mag-apply ka dito. And then, 2023, nagkita kami sa Alabang. Hindi nawala yung connection namin. And I guested her also sa community way back 2023. And this year, alam niyo ba kung anong nangyari? Nagpa-open siya ng local company, sa akin siya humingi ng tulong. Mag-open na siya ng PPO sa Pilipinas. So, imagine that 4 years of planting seed, so taking relationship and making sometimes sa pag nagpapaas ng help, it really helps. So, again, sometimes yung paglan ng client, hindi siya instant mommy, hindi siya instant pares. Sometimes it really takes time and of course patience. And you can use the formula of, again, just showing up, building rapport, creating valuable relationships sa kahit sino kausap mo sa LinkedIn and FB. Okay? Later tayo magko-question and answer. Okay, so ito pa. Teka lang, I'll just cut here kasi gusto ko kayong makita. Sige nga, sino ulit dito merong LinkedIn? At guilty na walang LinkedIn, kaya pala walang client. At kahit anong gawing pilit, hindi magka-client kasi hindi nila ginagawa yung basic. Sometimes we skip dun sa pinaka-advanced na agad. We forget the basic. Tama ba? Kaya nga basic eh. Tama, inamag na daw. Pakisunog. Sino dito may LinkedIn? So if I were you, connect kayo kay Lanik sa amin sa LinkedIn. Mag-observe kayo the way we post, the way we do the content. Because content is the king. People buy stories. Sino dito yung nakuha ko sa LinkedIn? Sino dito yung nag-connect sa akin kasi natutuwa sa content ko sa LinkedIn? Tama ba? Sino dito po yan? Content is king. I think Nick can relate on that. Sometimes LinkedIn, I will again give you the 3 reasons why you should, what to be post on LinkedIn. It should be entertaining, educating, and inspiring. People on LinkedIn needs authenticity. They don't need super formal approach because they're also busy on their job, on their profession. They need someone or looking for someone who can, ang tawag doon? English mo, hirap ang English. Yung makaka-relate sila, tama ba? Someone they can relate and resonate. Agree? Because we're all also human, right? We need human connection. So, Again, there's 1 billion users on LinkedIn, 12 million Filipino. And if you're not showing up on LinkedIn, you miss the opportunity of getting clients. Real talk. Tama po ba? So if you're asking me, Miss Yan, ano bang puput sa LinkedIn? Before, that's also my struggle, how to put content on LinkedIn. Start with your own journey. Just simple posting this session on LinkedIn after the session and put all your takeaways, right? And then we can help each other grow by doing so. Naasahan ko ba kayo later on, lahat ba tayo magpo-post ng picture natin and our takeaways for this session? Okay, because we're just not sitting here, we want to create noise on LinkedIn that we have a community that helps accountants conquer the US market. That's our mission. That's our advocacy. All right, Nick, this is asking, go out those. Okay, go, Nick.
Yeah, well, so a lot of people have this challenge, like, what do I put up on LinkedIn? And there's actually a pretty beautiful way you guys can use the community to activate yourselves. This is a loop I've used to connect to CEOs and founders of billion-dollar companies super effectively. That'll work really well for you guys, and it takes no time. The theme "Be Human" is the most true possible thing there is. There's so much canned automated messaging out there, AI written content, that people like sniff it out in a second. But there's a really easy way to be human, especially when you have a community this big and this vibrant. It just talk to each other. So here's a simple loop you guys can use that'll get content and ideas for you immediately, be fairly low effort, and be network building. We preach a rule of talk to 5 new people every single week in your space. They don't have to be clients. They could be other people starting their accounting practice, or just getting into freelancing. It doesn't matter. So 5 new people a week, and take notes after every call on what you talked about, and post thank you content on LinkedIn. This does 2 things. One, it builds network for you because you're thanking somebody, they share it, other people see that you talked. It creates story. So when new people connect with you, they look at who you're talking to and who you're posting about. Like if you look at mine, you'll see my podcast, which is the exact same thing. I'm basically just thanking people for hopping on and talking to me. So that way you don't have to think up interesting things for you to say about yourself or your business or what types of clients you want. You just talk to people and thank them for spending time with you. And that picks up crazy momentum pretty quickly. And the subtle effect, the reason rule of 5 is so powerful, if you do 5 every week, generally speaking, over the course of a year, 1 out of each 5 will turn into either a referral or a client. So the end of the year, that'll be 50. So I teach this to fractional C levels. I work with like 10 at a time, generally speaking. And the ones that stick to the 5 rule, every single one of them does more than $1 million US in billing in their first 6 months. If they stick to the 5, that's how powerful it is. So you guys could start just with people from this group. And it doesn't matter if you're international, just be human, thank the people that you're talking to. It'll let everyone know that you're real and make you super approachable, and give you something to talk about on LinkedIn pretty easy.
Thanks, Nick. Again, I'm learning also. That's golden nugget. Agree ba kayo? Pa-type naman ng golden. And a moment. Yun ba yun? Golden pala yung kinakanta natin ng golden. O, di ba? Naipasok ko pa yung pagkanta ko. Ayan. So again, that's why we're here. Again, I appreciate Nick's input. Again, to validate how powerful is LinkedIn. And for those people, Nick is also a leader and a coach that helps the community to grow and help people land their ideal client by following, nakita niyo ba kanina doon? Repeatable process. Ulit-ulitin niyo lang yung mga turo namin and it will work. Okay, ever still good? Gugutom na ba kayo? Kasi ako hindi pa kumakain. Gusto ko na ng lechon. Mamaya maghanap ako lechon dito. Okay. This is something very important that I want to emphasize. This is very usual and it really happens in remote setups. Remember, sometimes if you're a newbie, this is the scenario. Sometimes you're having a hard time to get noticed, right? After the problem of getting noticed, your problem is how to land or how to win the interview, correct? Tama ba yung pagkakasunod-sunod? And the next is, if you're already hard, this is sometimes the employee or the remote worker give up because they didn't know what to deliver. the right word for this is manage expectation. Because mostly, unlike in Bedrock, I mentioned last time, si Bedrock lang yung nakita ko na maayos ang onboarding process. Most of the client in the US didn't know also what they need. That's the reality and that's a fact. So meaning, if you're an accountant, all you have to do, if you're able to land a client, you know what is your deliverables and report to provide to the client. Okay? So again, as an accountant, actually the accountant work is much easier than other profession. Why? Because accountant work is, again, paulit-ulit. Ano ba? Paulit-ulit. Yung ano na siya redundant in a way, especially if you're a bookkeeper, you have to do the categorization, you just do the bank reconciliation, monthly accruals, closing, right? Unlike in other profession, ang ingay ko yata sa coffee shops. Unlike in other profession, naki-carried away ako. Unlike in other profession, for example, you're a video editor and a graphic designers, there's a lot of eyes that needs approval, right? Sino mag-agree dito? Sino ba dito? Sino Ellen? Sa mga marketing people is very hard because they want right colors, light transition, light lightning, di ba? Unlike in accountant, standard yan. That's why it's easy to have a client if you know the workflow and the standard and the SOPs. So if I were you, here's my tip. Even during interview, you can run through or walk through the client. What is your process, especially on having a report? So you can say, client, this is something you can ask to the client. My first question or second question would be, do you have any report that's need to be sent every Friday or every week? If there's a report that I need to send every month, quarterly or yearly, let me know so I can plot my schedule. I can help you on that. So sometimes I mention the number one skills that you have to learn in the remote setup is communication skills. Ulitin ko, communication skills doesn't need to be good in English. Communication skills comes in different format or form o ibang anyo, which is eto yan. Pagkakaroon ng mga SOP, workflow, template, and good client communications. Okay? So this is a good thing if you can screenshot. 1, 2, 3, screenshot para tayo live selling. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. Yan. Okay. Tama ba? Agree ba kayo dito? Gusto niya ba to? Nakatulong ba sa mga newbies? Lalo yung natatakot kasi hindi nila alam yung gagawin nila right after nila ma-hire. Okay? So yan yung number one tip. You just have to learn the workflow. Again, that's standard. Okay. So eto na nga yun. Sabi ko na nga dito, monthly closing, paulit-ulit lang, magbabank recon. So, kailangan mo lang hingin yung bank recon sa client, yung savings or checking account, and all the credit cards, 12 credit cards of the client. Right, Joe? 8, 10, 12 credit cards from the US. Ang dami nilang credit card. Right,
Well,
Nick?
that's low. We usually start with like 15 to 20.
Yeah. 15 to 20 credit cards, right? And the
Well,
credit card
ask Nick
company is calling.
if he could confirm that.
Relate.
But yeah, that's
Am I right,
the
Nick?
American way. We love credit cards.
Ah. So as a bookkeeper, you have to help the client give all their credit cards and checking accounts so you can categorize, link to the QuickBooks, and do the bank reconciliation. So after month end, now especially month end, you do some accruals or adjustment. Some accruals came from interest. Make sure you record all the interest, the loans, some adjustment to the previous month or whatever, and then you can generate financial statement and prepared management report. So, sige nga, lahat tayo accountant dito. What is the 3 financial statement normally hinihingi ng client from you? Kasi this is something always ina-ask ng client. What kind of report you can give me at the end of the month? Sige nga, accounting 101 tayo. Okay. Okay. Out of the 3, sige ulit. Out of the 3, anong tingin nyo pinakakailangan talaga ni client? Oh, may recitation. Kasunod-sunod yung pagkakasunod. Anong pinaka-importante? Because if you will ask me, the first thing, the priority of most of the business owners are cash flow, balance sheet, and income statement. Medyo huli si profit and loss kasi most of the owner needs a cash flow kung makakaya pa ba nila magbayad ng payables nila o may expect pa sila collection. Tama ba? O ayan, so mga tips natin. Okay, kasi tinatanong yan minsan especially sa accounting firm. So tinitest kayo kung gaano nyo kaalam yung mga report. Okay. Dito naman daw, quality assurance, although some of the company, wala silang team leader or supervisor, right? So sometimes you have to do your own quality checking. So again, paki-screenshot. Nakalibre na kayo ng tips. Ito yung mga normally dapat yung gawin. So ayan, bigyan ko kayo ng time screenshot. Pwede nyo na pa-laminate, isabit nyo sa rep, katabi ng rep magnet. Ayan. Okay. Next is, yan, sabi na nga dito, reporting standard, cash flow, key metric dashboards. Although there are some software na meron na ring dashboard, pinapakita yung collections or performance ng business. So, sinabi ko na yung kanina. Again, module number 6 is all about, I mentioned earlier, communication template. So, dapat para maiwasan yung miscommunication sa client at hindi kayo malula or matakot makipag-usap sa kanila, you can create your own SOP and standard template. So, meron naman lahat yan sa ChatGPT. Meron din kayong, meron din ako yung mga template, ano yung sasabihin sa client, sa email, sa collections, sa payables, sa kahit sinong kausap nyo. Okay? Of course, time zone management, although this is the reality. Sometimes, marami sa inyo gusto magka-client, pero ito yung isang struggle namin nakikita. And if I were you, make sure if you're really decided to serve the international client, you have to be ready on their time zone. All else, maging magaling kayong tax preparer or anything na hindi masyadong time-bound para you can negotiate the time. Kasi if you're a newbie, you don't have the right or the capacity to negotiate the time zone. As far as I remember, when I started Bedrock, na-negotiate naman yung time zone 6 p.m. yata kami to 2 a.m. Pero at least, we overlap the time zone. But then again, you have to really set clear expectations sa client. Kaya nga kailangan tanungin nyo sa client during interview, ano ba yung mga report na ibibigay ko sa inyo? Kasi kung hindi ko naman kailangan na sa time zone nyo, I can do it on my own pace. Pero it takes guts. Hindi siya ganun kadali sabihin. Tama ba? Sino dito yung masasabi sa client, gusto ko ng flexi because I can do this work. So, anong kailangan yung ma-develop? The confidence level and the right communication skills and the expectation para you can negotiate the time zone. Okay? So, sabi nga dito, ayan, sync communication, dito naman yung self-explanatory naman yan. But again, kapag newbie kayo or you're applying for the US market, you have to be ready to serve on their US time zone. EST, MST, CST, PST. Pati Mars, aralin nyo na rin yung time zone ng Mars. Ayan. Okay. Sabi din dito, wait lang. Are you learning so far? Patype naman ng 1 for those 100 people watching. O gutom na kayo? Ako sagot talaga. Maya na ako kain. Valuable ba yung coaching session? Session natin, pre-webinar? Ayan. Okay, sabi na dito, how to fix mistake fast and professionally. Ito rin yung isa dapat nating pinapractice kahit nasa online tayo. Kasi we're in doon sa on-site or work. Hindi, yung dati nating corporate, diba, kapag nagkamali tayo, we can easily address the mistake and meron tayo agad manager na pwedeng mag-solve ng problem right then and then. Pero sa online setup, hindi siya ganon. Sometimes, busy yung may-ari. But make sure if you create a mistake, i-acknowledge mo agad siya and yung mga error para ma-solve agad. And explain to the client what happened. And then sabi nga nito, take ownership. Sabi mo, nagkamali ako ng categorize. Pwede bang paki-change na lang yung, pwede bang adjust natin next month? Or pwede bang i-edit ko na lang right after this call? So again, meron kami ni Joe Rules. Sabi namin dito, pag hindi nyo alam yung tanong, you can tell to the client, I'm not so sure, I'll get back to you. Okay, back to you. Ganun mo na lang si client. Back to you, client. So, ano mo na lang siya. Kapag hindi ka sure, sabihin mo, babalikan mo siya after this call, ganyan. Or tomorrow, check ko muna. Okay? So, ayan. Again, self-explanatory sa mga nakikita nyo. Pero, it helps lalo kapag para ma-maintain yung good relationship niyo with the clients at hindi ma-compromise yung quality of work and deliverables niyo. Okay, sabi dito, when you deliver clean work, clear communication, client treats you like a gold. Ayan na naman si gold. Golden, tama? Ayan. So, paki-check rin yan. So, paki-screenshot din to. Maganda to. Okay. Okay, sa module number 6, there's a 30-day action plan na kailangan natin gawin para magkaroon kayo ng client in just 30 days. Sakto ngayon, December, 4? So by New Year, dapat meron na kayong client and it's a good time, especially this tax season and month end. Mas kailangan nila ng bookkeeper ngayon and tax preparer. So yan. Okay, recap natin. Sabi daw dito, week 1, para magkaroon kayo ng client, you have to have the skills. Organizational skills, communication skills, ano pa ba? Management skills, and of course, using some software like QuickBooks, Xero, kung ano man gamit yung platform. And then, basic practice like reconciliation, especially the recon, kailangan talaga reconciliation kasi if you can do the reconciliation, most likely 90% of the transactions in the books are accurate. Then, the 10% will be some adjustments sa accruals and mga prepaid, ganyan. Of course, yung turo namin kanina, yung sinabi ni Nick and even Joe, kailangan nyo talaga magkaroon ng online presence. Sino again dito yung nahihiya mag-post sa LinkedIn? Sino dito yung nahihiya mag-post sa LinkedIn or sa FB? Especially sa LinkedIn kasi people are sa LinkedIn talaga, nandun talaga yung client. They're just watching. And sabi nga ni Joe kanina, most of the hiring, hindi pa siya nakapost sa LinkedIn. Sometimes, nanonood lang talaga sila. Naghahanap ng makakatulong. Sometimes, they're just also searching e-commerce bookkeeper. Tapos lalabas yung pangalan mo. Okay, then you can do outreach. Try nyo yung sinabi ni Nick. You can also post this session sa social media, sa LinkedIn. Put gratitude. Yan, para makita kayo, maging visible kayo sa social media unti-unti. And then you can create your own story content. Huwag na tayo ma-shy kasi kailangan natin ng client. And of course, week 4, you onboard your first clients, your first deal, set up system, and begin delivering exceptional work for a long-term relationship. Ayan. Sabi nga, your first US client is closer than you think. All you need is consistent action. Kung kang consistent, hindi po siya gagawin ngayon, tapos next week na ulit. Ang consistent po araw-araw. Chunk of efforts will eventually turn into a big result and land to your ideal client. Okay? Any questions so far? Nakatulong ba tayo sa session natin today? Nick, are you good? Do you want to add something on my slide or any feedback?
Can I give like a 1-minute little update quick, like
Sure.
a future state of what we're up to? All right. Do you guys mind if I share a screen too, just to show you? Is that
Hold
okay?
on.
Nick,
Yep.
can I ask you something as a favor? If you
Yeah.
could share your company link,
Yeah.
because you said some interesting stuff there, and I wanna check your
Yeah.
company out also.
That's literally
Thank
what I
you.
was going to do. That's literally what I was going to
Okay.
do. So let me pull this up. So this is Rocket. This is the group we're creating. So, you guys learn together here, but we want to find a way to make it sticky. So it's not something that you have to wait for a meeting to do. There's constantly a group of people going through the same thing. You'll learn 10 times faster that way. And it's all localized. So if you flip to our group team, you might see some people that that are leading these weekly calls, but it's all over the place. You'll see me in here too, in Boston. So this is Rocket. Rocket's actually a subset of our main application, which is called Freely. So Freely is a direct competitor to Upwork that doesn't charge you to bid on jobs. It's actually all automated. And it dovetails directly into what 360 is doing because Freely is all about skills. So what we're working on, we're rolling this out now, is you'll take a course, you'll learn a skill set, you'll be certified against that skill, for example. So these are all just tests. And then customers will inbound to you based on that skill set. So you guys are all in the accounting space. You'll add a skill like this to your profile and companies will be able to request an exact scope with a budget directly to you. And it's free to use. You pay a small fee if you want to talk to the company if you need a new client. So Rocket is what we're talking about now. That's this one. This is the community to make all the learning sticky. We'll talk about every platform, and we'll share insights into what companies are asking for on Freely. Because ironically, more companies sign up for Freely than freelancers. There's such high demand right now for help. So we want to help make you guys professional, make it easy for you to find work, and then teach you how to use our app to pull in tons of business. It won't compete with LinkedIn. LinkedIn's the best way to go for sure, but hopefully this will be an easy way to have a steady state of inbound opportunities for you too. So I wanted to show you guys that. And Joe, I'll reach out to you about maybe certifying some of our skills from people who take your courses. I think that would be really valuable.
Yeah, absolutely. A couple of questions. What kind of companies are on here?
Small business predominantly. So we're seeing most of the volume, and that's what's crazy about this time. People are building multi-million-dollar companies with like 1 or 2 staff. So they need tons of
Yeah.
accounting help, they need bookkeeping help, cash management, service, and they don't know where to go, and they don't have time to hire and interview 1,000 people. They want like a scope and delivery. So that's what Freely is trying to
You
do.
know, that, and I teach this to my students, and I actually created a course on this called the AI Powered Accountant.
Yeah.
And my biggest problem with scaling my business was finding the right people. And you know, if I put an ad up on like online jobs, forget about Upworks, I'll get bombarded. Online jobs, I could put a post up right now, and within an hour, I'll have 50 to 100 applications.
And you don't have
And the
time. You
thing
don't have
is,
time.
yeah, I don't have time to go through that. My former coach, my mentor, started a business called Hire My VA. And he had a system because he ran a $200 million company. He had a system for hiring people. And one of them, and Marianne loves this, you put a secret word in the post and you
Yeah.
tell them, if you don't put this in the subject, I'm not even looking at it. And do you know like 80% of the people they're not
Yeah.
even looking at it. So you're wasting time, you're wasting our time, you're wasting your time. So I love this platform. And I also have a podcast, so I think I'm going to ask you to be on it.
Would love to. Would love to.
Yeah, awesome. Great job. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Yeah, guys, for those of you, again, we're trying to build a community that helping one another. Again, thank you so much, of course, Nick and Jem for connecting 2 days ago, and now we're here. Imagine, just
Thank you.
one post on LinkedIn can take 1,000 miles. Tama po ba? So for those of you laging merong limiting beliefs what to post on LinkedIn, you don't have to overthink. Don't overcomplicate things. Just simple way of gratitude, saying thank you. Share what you have learned, your life, your takeaways for every day. And for sure, you will attract the right client, just like Nick and Jem, who found me on LinkedIn. Again, marami pa tayong gagawin, building a community. And through Nick, you will get your ideal client. And of course, Joe will help you, of course, as your coach and mentor. We will help you and guide you to your right or ideal client. Okay? Questions? Pwede mag-Tagalog. Ang hirap mag-English. It's very hard to speak English, Nick. Sorry. I'm always okay. Any questions? You can type clarifications on the slide that we have shown you. Wala, tama yung mga sinasabi ko dito. Basta bahala kayo. Mag-adjust kayo, Gusto nyo, Bisaya. Hindi naman ako marunong mag-Bisaya. Dapat pala ako mag-adjust. Ang tao dito yung Englishera Tama, si Cebu. Kasi naman mag-Tagalog. Questions? Okay, because tonight is our last sessions and I'm launching my courses soon. I think anyone from the team of Bedrock can share the link. So it's a 4 phases session, live session. And one of the perks, of course, I'll guide you on how to create your community just like me. So I know already the roadmap how I did it, and you can replicate or duplicate what I have done for the last 4 years. So through Nick, me, and Joe, you can create your own community in the city. And if you have a community, the client is coming your way. Tama po ba? Actually, yan talaga yung secret sauce ng ibang mga coaches or businesses. Sometimes they having to get hard to get client because they don't have a community. It's very easy to get clients if you have community talaga. Yun lang talaga. Ako, community builder ako. Ano daw? Joe knows this. My super strength is communication. So I'm a community builder. Joe is a futuristic. Me also one of the 10 strength ko, futuristic. Siguro kaya nag-drive. I don't know with Nick. For sure, Nick is communicator as well. Some connectiveness, some positivity. So those strength, Gallup test is also helpful. Okay. So who among you who would like to join? Aside from that community, nakalagay doon, one of the perks of coaching session, how to land clients, how to build your own community. I can have a weekly call with you and through Joe also. Joe also include how to become a USCPA. And if you will join on my coaching session, the good thing about is we have an affiliate that by 2026, you can take your USCPA in Makati, in Prometrics. They're just checking the GLIME materials, but they already got the approval that you can take your USCPA in the Philippines and you have a discount if you will enroll to Joe's course, to any Bedrock course. I'll just get your name. We can get the discount, scholarship, installment, name it, we have it. iGEM. I also met iGEM in LinkedIn. I love that they teaching also CMA. And the moment I post the last year post November 2024, that soon USCPA will be here in the Philippines. I think the highest impression that I got on LinkedIn. And then I manifest that and it happens. So by 2026, you can be a USCPA. Online.
So Marianne, wait, did you say they're going to have the test in Makati?
Yes, Makati.
So
And the
Luz,
materials.
you hear that?
Prometrics.
I'm waiting for the
I
enrolled
want Luz
agent.
No, I want Luz to
Yes.
take the CPA exam. So
If I'm not mistaken, only 6, not 7, because Philippine CPA is 7, I think. But in US, I think it's only 6. And the good thing about it is it's online. And you have GLIME, or they already got the certification and approval from GLIME. Just finalizing some stuff. And if you're an accounting people and Jumpstart community, you can definitely get a discount. Again, that's the perks of enrolling in our session. So, yeah, yun lahat yun. Ano pa ba? Building your own agency as well. I have also the roadmap that you can help on how to build your own agency and accounting firm. Kasi by 2026, maglo-launch na ng accounting firm yung mga co-founder ko. So, I can guide you how to build your own accounting firm, local. If you want go international, pwede. But local, we have already the template, the process from the SEC, from the government, from the proposal, from getting clients. Sounds good? Yeah. Ano po ba yung yung link, Joe? Where's the link? I can see any link kasi. Kita po ba? Nandiyan po ba? Sorry, hindi ko kita. Joe, you want to add something?
oh, do I want to add something? Yes, I do. I want to. Are you finished?
Yeah, just inviting them that if they will join our coaching session on December 13, that's the
Yeah, I want to
perks.
since we actually have more people now at this time than we did at the end of Tuesday. So that's a good thing. People keep joining. I want to share with everybody. You caught me off guard there. Here it is. So I'm gonna, and you're all gonna get an email with this. So in line with what I did with my mother, if you showed up late and you don't know the story, she was 65 when I first started doing remote accounting. She had no accounting experience, very little computer experience. She was working part-time, and I asked her to be my guinea pig, basically. I needed to see if my idea would work. And I taught her QuickBooks, and not only did she learn it, she helped me run my business for over 15 years. In fact, when I started Bedrock, I took a whole different approach, and she retired, and I was devastated because now I had to find somebody to do all the stuff she was doing, and thank God Lou showed up. But anyway, when we started doing these courses, it dawned on me, there were a lot of people asking me if they could do this because they had no experience. There were people signing up for our accounting courses. I remember we had one woman that was a pharmacist. Okay. And I said, it seems to me like there's a lot of people in the Philippines and probably all over the world with no experience that they want to be a freelancer and they don't know where to even start. And so if you're like a graphic designer or you're artistic, that's where you go. But if you're logical, what are you going to do? You're going to learn computer coding. Well, that's one of the things that AI is definitely taking care of now. So you don't want to learn computer coding. But accounting, I've been teaching people accounting for over 20 years. And like I said, I've taught a lot of people that had no accounting experience. So, and I said, let me create a course called Accounting for Beginners. Okay. And I'm going to give this, you're all going to get a link to this course. It's not that complicated. It's an overview of accounting from the balance sheet to the income statement, the general ledger. But if you take this course, you'll have a good foundation of what the financial reports are and how to get to them. Starting with the single transaction. At the end of the day, even Google has to do a balance sheet. Okay. And every business out there needs a balance sheet and a P&L. So it's basic, it's fundamental information that you can build on. So now this might not, I saw that there were a lot of newbies when there were a lot of threes when Marianne asked CPA, accountant, or a newbie. So there were a lot of threes. This might be for you. But if it's not for you, you might know somebody that could benefit from it. You can share it with them. Like Marianne said, we're building communities. Human beings want to be part of communities. Nick talked about it. It's essential. It's essential for not only your, personal needs, but for your business needs. I've heard this saying a lot. Your net worth is your network. Okay. You're only going to rise as high as the people that you know. Okay. Marianne is living proof of this. Okay. She just introduced you to Nick. Nick is an influencer. He's not just a small business owner, he's a community builder. He's another one that could help bridge the gap from the Philippines halfway around the world. Okay, so that's my Christmas gift to all of you, and I want to thank you all for joining us. This has been great, and Marianne, you can close this out. Thank you. You did another amazing job.
Thank you so much. Again, this is 2-day session and we reached the, I think 100 plus, although there's 700 sign up. So you see, some people just sign up and forget to to take action, right? So that's the difference for those people. That is why we appreciate those people, English na Tagalog na lang, na nandito kasi, meaning, gusto nyong matuto kasi out of 700, 100 lang yung nag-show up for today. So, something very important for us because we see your commitment and accountability. Tama ba? So, for the recording of the previous session, I think it will be sent through your email. Just always check your spam or promotion email. Minsan natatabunan. It's coming from Bedrock Business Builder 360. Always check and reach out to Jumpstart or accounting community if may questions kayo. Okay? Again, patype naman ng happy kung kompleto recados tayo from day 2 ng Tuesday ba? Ano ba ngayon? Tuesday to Thursday? Natulungan ba namin kayong mabigyan ng clarity how to really conquer the US market? So, nagdala pa tayo ng import, di ba? Ang hirap ng yun at English. Shera. Okay, ang hirap mag-English. Yeah. Okay, picture taking tayo, labas na. And then you can post this on LinkedIn. Again, the name, hindi ko alam na ban kasi si Joe sa LinkedIn eh. Di ba, Joe? Joe is being banned on LinkedIn. Nickname is, I will give the name of Nick so you can tag Nick on LinkedIn. Nick Petros. Okay, Nick Petros. Okay. Guys, sino dito pwedeng mag-screenshot? Iba po yung gamit kong laptop. Hindi ako marunong dito. Sino pong mabait? Pasend po sa WhatsApp or sa Skype. Tatawa lang ako. Sino pong mabait
Marian,
dyan?
was there a link for your program?
I don't know. There's one link that you can use also a credit card. I don't, where's Erin or, is this the same link? Hold on. Let me check if it is up to si Maria.
Is it in the Go High level? Because I can probably grab it.
I think so. Hold on. Let me check. For those of you, most of you may gusto credit card eh. Picture muna tayo.
Does Nick know that the Philippines is the photo capital of the world?
Yes, I think so. He should know. Okay. Okay, picture. Sino nag-picture? Tatawa lang ako. Plus ikaw, sino ba? Pa-type naman sino po, pasend ako. Sino po nag-picture? Sino po?
Si Maria.
Ko na lang. Si Maria daw. Okay, 1. Tatawa lang ako, din. Okay. For those who wants to enroll, ipopost na lang namin sa community and sa WhatsApp. Hanapin ko lang yung links, but reach out to me if you want to enroll on our coaching session. See you on December 13. 7 p.m. yon. Okay? Message lang po, Miss Cassandra. See you. Unless meron pa kayong questions. Gusto ko nang kumain ng lechon eh. Sino nasa Cebu ngayon? Kita niyo nga ako dito, be.
Thank you, Joe. Thank you, Nick.
Nawawala lang. May papasok pa pang
Yeah,
gabi to.
If anyone has any questions, we'll stick around.
Yeah, just last time they stay and somebody end up the Zoom call. Pinatayin tayo ng
Yeah,
Zoom last
and
time.
I was supposed to clear up all the frequently asked questions and I forgot. So
No, it's okay.
if anybody has any questions, now's your time to ask.
Okay. Maybe I'll just announce we have some opening again from payroll, and then Carol, the one client that in Cebu needs 3 years experience from business tax. I think si Luz daw may experience, pamimigay ka na ni Joe. Business tax, we need accounting manager and bookkeeping manager knowledgeable in US tax corporation. Because it's very hard to train daw, so they need someone na experience na, but it will be CST, full-time. Again, if I were you, you can enroll on Bedrock Tax. Again, na-mention to ni Luz last time, magkakaroon ng internship. Siguro, Luz, ulitin mo ulit sa mga hindi nakakaalam. Baka gusto nila maging intern.
Yeah, for us, meron kaming course na Bedrock courses. We suggest that take our courses, especially that the US tax preparation and with bookkeeping. And then after you finish the course, you'll get the chance to be one of our interns. Siguro May or June, mag-open kami ng next batch. And it's free. You just need to take our Bedrock course. And then, not because you have certificate, sure na kayo napasok at internship. lahat naman kayo, lahat ng graduate is they will have a chance, but if i-filter pa rin namin, we will give another project that you can finish kasi doon namin ma-assess kung sino talaga yung mga porsigido na makapasok. Kasi makikita namin, everyday, nakita namin kung ino-open nyo, ano na yung progress nyo. So, sometimes, marami kaming, lahat na nag-apply, ina-allow namin. And then, kung sino na lang yung first 10 na makatapos ng project, yun yung kukunin namin. And then, there's initial interview and final interview para i-check kung naintindihan nyo ba yung ginawa nyo. Para sa actual internship program, you will not start at zero knowledge. Mas madali na lang namin kayong gabayan. Pero kasi, although alam niyo naman na aside from theoretical, mas iba pa rin yung actual experience. Kasi all interns will be given actual clients. As in kayong mag-update ng books nila from reconciliation, categorization, and pag-generate ng reports, and then hanggang sa tax prep. And then you'll be exposed to our tools like Drake Tax Software, and then Wave App, yung mga ganun na other tools pa. So if in preparation for our next batch, better take our course para ready na kayo for our next batch of internship program. Yun lang.
Yeah, thank you, Luz. So I would just like to add something. Luz has an accounting degree, but she never did U.S. accounting when I hired her. She had been working for a pretty successful, what was it, a plumbing supply company, Luz?
Construction
Yeah,
materials.
one of those businesses, but she helped run a pretty large, over 100-person company. But she never used Wave apps. She never did a U.S. tax return. And March will be 5 years, right, Liz?
What? March?
Yeah, so March will be 5 years. She
Yeah.
started at the worst time that you could ever possibly start. It was total chaos. She said that she felt like she was in a war zone. And she basically was. I think she started on March 14th, and the first corporate deadline was March 15th. And at that time, I was busy just getting clients. All the clients were behind. So think about that. She started, no experience. I didn't have time to train her like I should have. But today, I don't know what I would do without her. She helps me run the business. She runs the accounting department. She's basically my boss now. So I'm just telling you this as another example of no matter where you are in your career, if you want this, you can have it. It's not going to be easy. We can make it simple for you. If you just, like what Nick talked about, how simple could it be? You'd connect with one person a day, every week, what it'll take you 10 minutes to connect with somebody, but you do that consistently. At the end of the year, you'll say, hey, I connected with like over 200 people, and 30 of them or 40 of them are asking me for a proposal. What a coincidence. Okay. There's an old saying, people get lucky after a lot of hard work. So it is work. It is work, but there's an unlimited reward. Okay. The other thing that I wanted to mention, because this is what I learned from, teaching a lot of Philippine students. The knowledge is important. Okay, you can't do tax returns without knowing what a balance sheet is. You can't do accounting without knowing how to do a bank rec. You can't lie. Accounting is one of those businesses where you can't fake it. Okay, after the first day or two, your boss is going to know that you can't do QuickBooks even though you said you could. But all the knowledge in the world isn't going to get you a job. Okay, what's going to get you a job is exuding confidence. Okay, you go into the interview knowing that you could do this. And that's what all of our, at the end of every live course, we would have a graduation. And almost 100% of the students said, I have the confidence now that I can do this. And we got so many testimonials from students that got jobs before they were even done with the courses. Okay. So, I'm not saying this to pitch my courses. There's a lot of courses out there. We're not the only game in town, whatever works for you. What Marianne teaches, I could never teach. Okay. That's not my forte. So you could learn the technology, learn the nuts and bolts, but you need somebody like Marianne that's going to give you the extra push. It's always, what do they say? That there's a book called the 1 Degree, and I forget what it is. Water boils. I don't know what temperature, but let's say it's 98 degrees. At 97 degrees, it's not boiling. That 1 degree makes it boil. Okay. And that's the difference. That's the difference between not getting a job and getting a job. That little extra. Okay. And that's what Marianne will give you. Guaranteed. That's my story. I'm sticking with it. Thank you, Luz. Thank you, Marianne. And thank you, Nick.
Joe, one more thing just to inspire everyone. I think there's a lot of here that working in a corporate, still working in a corporate and then want to transition. I just want to share that I'm from my previous boss for 18 years and then I realized that I'm not happy anymore. So I just have 3 months of journey, like first realization that I really can't continue working with my boss because of the stress and the traffic. And then I learned about work from home from a friend. Then I do some research, the Upwork, and then I compared with the jobstreet.com. And then I realized I cannot work again in a Philippine company because the starting rate is very small. And I still need to deal with the traffic and new people. And I need to worry about my outfit. And every break time, they'll ask to go to Starbucks. So I don't want to waste money anymore. I want to save. So I realized I need to go with the work from home. Then after that, I decided that I choose work from home. I do some research in Upwork and onlinejob.ph. Then I look for the requirements and the job that's in demand. And then that's the time I choose the US accounting and US tax preparer as my niche. Then after that, I check their requirements. And even one requirement I don't have that. So what I did, I enrolled in Udemy. And I didn't even finish the course. I just, I just forward everything so I can get the certificate. And then I watch the YouTube videos and then the IRS website. Then while studying, I realized that they don't even know me personally. So I just submit my resume even I did not have any of one of the requirements. So I just shamelessly submit my resume. And then after a month, because that's continuous application after my work, that's 9 p.m. until 12 midnight. So after a month, there's 3 invitation. And the first interview is the hardest because I've been working for 18 years. And then that's again my first interview. So after that, the second interview is much easier, but the third interview is the easiest. And that's when Joe hired me. So meaning, it's still, it depends, it still depends on you. Because it's like, it's like I'm going to the war, and I said to myself, when I start this, I'll make sure I'll get the output that I want. And I don't want to regret my decision to leave my boss. And he'll tell me that, oh, you didn't choose me. And you'll regret that you leave me. I don't want that to happen. So right now, I'm really happy working with Joe. I'm earning more than before because I save a lot of money. And then I have more time with my family, and then I can still do some stuff than working with the Philippine corporate. So for those who are really interested, just start and just continue what you're doing. So thank you, Joe, because I will never forget that moment that you hired me. And it helps me a lot financially.
I don't remember that, Luz. I'm sorry, but I'll never forget going through that war zone with you and how you stuck with it. And I said, this woman's tenacious, you know. And just so everybody knows, Luz is actually off tonight. She has a vacation night, so this is how much she loves this, and I appreciate that, Luz. I love you, and I'm so glad you're on the team, and we're building, and we need people, and the best is yet to come. Thank you. Are there any? And the other thing, yeah, I said about the confidence. All right. It's time for my evening nap. We're done with the
All
we're done
right,
with the
yeah.
pictures, Marianne?
Done. Yeah, I was about to create
Okay.
content now on LinkedIn. And for those of you again, follow me on LinkedIn. Please thank Nick for joining us. And of course, don't forget to upskill for 2026. Make some impact, the power of community and power of helping one another. Kala ko weekend na ngayon. Thursday pa lang pala, hindi pala. Feeling ko lang weekend. Kakain na ako, Lechon. Bye! Nagugutom na ako. Bye guys. Thanks, Luz. Thanks, Pedro. Thanks, Joe. Pinatay na naman tayo. Bye, Joe.